Alright, so now I can talk. It's gonna be fun. Come on, Tara. Got me to eliminate you. How about you forever? Like that time? Yeah, you catch me? Oh, damn. Okay, never mind. Alright. Okay, 0. I'm gonna draw into this. That'd be weird. That would be weird. Yeah, it would. Hold on, turn that sound. Okay, there we go. Okay. God dang it. Don't want to sound like girl or weird. I use some weird recordings. But that doesn't matter. I'm just gonna kick Charles' butt. It just kill me first. We'll die these 50 times before I finish this. But this video won't be long. So I'm gonna take my time and do my best. As in news. Damn it. Okay. You're feeling great. I'm feeling terrible. 5. This is your destiny. Yes. Well, no. I just doing this for hell of it. But okay. Let's go, Tara. Is that all you... This is not good at all. I know. We're gonna die at least 50 times before this ends. I got a new weapon. Stand still and go. Ow. Yeah. Got her. Next turn will be harder. That shouldn't have touched me. That is a bull. Oh. What? Oh god. See it, hands. Dang it. Oh my god, that's breathe. 3. That's still good, I hope. Ah! Sorry, smiling. She's a demon, that's why. She's gonna beat her. Not tired yet? Nope. But I think you're getting tired because I'm gonna beat you. When I do, I will be probably pretty proud. Probably not. I'm gonna die. Go, Tara. Boom. 2. Let's start the knife rain. Yeah, got it. That's gonna be awesome. Don't you feel anything? Ow. Come on, what? What? That is some bull. Alright, forget. I'm still good. I think I never help. Yeah. Want something more challenging? No, I don't. I need to try to do this guy practicing. If you guys saw my last video, you know, practicing for my atomic doom. Ow. Oh god, I got 7 health. I'm going to die. Everybody's always screaming, oh my god, check the items. Guess what? There's nothing in them. Yeah, I think I heard by trying to take my items. I'm stupid. What are you doing? Attack. Never! I tried spamming her once. Yeah, still got it. I'm awesome. Whew, can't believe I'm not dead yet. Do you want to have a bad time? Now you're sitting saying stuff. That's fine. Whoa, okay, I see why you're so saying stuff. It'd be easy to dodge. Oh god. Oh! Son of a... I saw I made that part last time. But this time, I'm gonna be there. I hope. Let's see your determination. I dodged all those. Holy crap, I'm doing good for once. Oh my god. Okay. You're the only one. Oh, looks like message me. That's cute, man. Never mind. What did you say? Oh no. I can't check it right now. I'm not gonna check it. Oh god. I'm trying to move through that one. Alright. That 9 was at 5. This is your destiny? Yes. Oh god. Yeah. I said that little corner too. Come on, Char. Which one is this one? I got a new weapon. Okay, this one with the spinning blade thing. Spinning scythe. That's Trident. I know that. Don't worry. Ooh, I'm still doing so good right now. I can't believe I haven't got hit yet. Well, don't look at the health bar. I didn't get hit yet. Okay, that's how I got hit. Okay, that didn't even touch me. It's still not touching me. Oh. So I'm gonna kick your butt since you want to cheat. It looks very dangerous. Oh god. She's smiling. Sorry, you gonna have bad time, you know that. Not tired yet. Oh, son of a. Yeah, it hurts. It hurts my soul. It really hurts my soul. My soul's hurting. Alright, let's go. Oh, let's see your determination. This is my last time doing this. I'm gonna do it 3 times throughout this video. If I can. Probably not. God damn it. I was doing so good that last time till that red knife hit me. And these are so easy to dodge, but I just don't know how to right now. Stop. Alright, there we go. Oh. But I played this game so much, I'm trying to use now. Wait, she's gonna use. Try again. You didn't need to hear me kicking the button. I'm sorry. God. I think you're messing me right now. Let me move this screen up. I see this better. There we go. Where is this corner of the screen? Where is it? Where is it? No, I'm really far over. There we go. There we go. Now, found it. Found it. There we go. Okay, now it's case of the whole screen. Ow. Alright. There we go. Take that one. This is your destiny? Yes, it is. Oh god. I don't want to mess up again. Ooh. I think most people who play this game, like, I don't say any names. Because, you know, I don't think that I can get copyrighted for saying names, but I don't know. Because, you know, I'm not really trying to copyright with this game, I'm just trying to play it. I haven't played really any real Undertale games. But I wish I could. Try again. This way I do get the Undertale games. This would be so awesome. There you go, Tara. Your next turn will be harder. I'm really losing now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. I'm really gonna do this one. It's about to try. Might try a 4th time. Oh god, I'm gonna to it. Alright, smiling. You smile all you want. I don't care. Still gonna kill you. The knife better not hit me. The knife better not hit me. There we go. Come on, Chara. 0. I might leave a link to the games at the bottom of this one because this game is extremely hard. It's free to play, if you can see. You know, it's free to play. It's really hard. You know, especially once you get really into the game. Because I seen one person beat it. And I was like, it took like 2 hours to beat it. And I was like, I can't think 2 hours on a game. Never ever could do that. The one that had a parents for that. Yeah. 10 health right now. Want to try to do more challenging? Yes, I would love something more challenging. Not really. Okay, I see it's on the wrong one. Ow. Fancy my intro. Holy crap, I'm really messing up. Alright, doesn't matter. I should do my ending and outro. And the outro is gonna be. Where is it? What? What? What just happened? What just happened? Seriously, what just happened? I don't know what just happened. Alright, should I try one more time? I'm gonna do one more time. Just to be sure that I'm actually. This is my last turn. Alright, then I'll turn off the video. I might start again tomorrow. If I can. Since the summer break, no school. You know, life is good. I'm gonna do my next video. It's gonna be funny. Really, I won't laugh. I don't like what is wrong with him? But okay, let's go. Ow. After only one scratch tall, you still can't take me on. They don't kind of scream. No, which kind of scream? I'd be scared. Like seriously, bones dry scared. Holy crap! If he moves like this, I'm like, yep, I'm gonna die. All right, I'm gonna be in the car now. Guess you got this music. I'm about to say it. I got a weapon. I had to say it. That's why. There's no I had to. So I was watching you, and I'm watching her. Every move, I already know that's what's gonna happen. It still didn't touch me. Ow. That one I ran into. She was slippery hands. Alright. It looks very dangerous. Yes, that's dangerous. Ah! Sorry, smiling. Alright, not tired yet? Nope. Oh, get tired. You gotta catch the reference, put in the comments. Wait, that's a reference to the song. Oh, this told you guys. I suck. Let the knife ring begin. And I missed. Going terrible. Ow. Ow. I really just watching that now. Don't you feel anything? Nope. Then that feels just pressing up her soul in my hand when I crush it. Probably not gonna kill me. Ow, why are you doing that? Oh. Want something more challenging? Yes, I know. Yes, maybe. I'm ready for this. Ow. Ow. Alright. Yeah. I should have seen that coming. Is next to gases? I'm not sure. Okay, I got hit again. You want to have a bad time? Yep, there's the gases. I'm gonna lose this part in the end. Yep, that's bad. I go right into it and it doesn't disappear. Well, that's it, everybody. Hope y'all having a splendid day. And see y'all next time in whatever I make next. Bye.